Hello crochet fans, in today's class we're going to learn how to make this beautiful lace for our footwear. I've got my supplies. Here is my hook size 5, my twine, and also my lighter. So we'll start with a chains of 16 plus 3. That's making it a total number of 19. Alright, go ahead and make chains of 19 in total. Alright, so I'll do that and quickly come back and show you. I have my 16 chains here. I'm going to add extra 3. Okay, now yarn over and into the 4th chain we're going to make extended double crochet here. Alright, then into the next 3 chain spaces we are going to make 1 extended double crochet each. Okay, this will bring us to total number of 5. That's including the chain 3 we did in the beginning. So this is 4 and 5. Okay, so let's count it. This is chain 3, then we have extra 4. Now we are going to chain 3. Okay, 3, then we'll skip 1 2 3. Into this 4th one we make 1 single crochet. Now we will chain 3 again and skip 3. 1 2 3, then skip 3. Then you will have 5 chains remaining. Into the last 5 chains make 1 extended double crochet in each till you get to the end of it. Okay, so now I'm at the end of this. This is what we have. We are going to chain 3 and start another row. Our row 1 is completed. Now for this row 2 we're going to do 1 extended double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. So remember the chain 3 stands as 1 double crochet. Okay, now chain 2 and into the chain space we have here we will make 3 extended double crochets together. Alright, so cluster 3 extended double crochets here, then chain 2. Into the next chain space 2 we make another 3 extended double crochets, 2 3. Now chain 2, skip the next 2, 1 2, then into this 3rd one here make 1 extended double crochet and 1 extended double crochet in the next 2 stitches that is remaining, 2. Then here the top of the 3 chain spaces we did, the top of it, that's where you're doing the last one. Okay, so this is what we have now. Now for row 3 you chain 3 and turn your work. Now into the next 2 stitches we're going to do 1 extended double crochet each. Then in the chain 2 space from the previous make extra 2 extended double crochets, making it a total of 5. Chain 2 and skip the next 3 and into this space make 3 extended double crochets. Okay, so we will repeat the beginning at the end of it after this. Now chain 2, 1 2, and into this chain space here make 2 extended double crochets and 1 extended double crochet in each stitch remaining. That's the 3 extended double crochets we made from the previous one. Okay, this is the 3rd one. Okay, so after this our row 3 is completed. Now we'll chain 3 and turn our work. Now row 4 is just a repetition of row 2. Okay, so yarn over and do 1 extended double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Okay, then chain 2 and skip the 2 stitches remaining, and into the space from the previous make 3 extended double crochets together. Okay, then chain 3 and make 3 extended double crochets in the next space. Chain 2, sorry. So here we have another 3 extended double crochets. 3. Now chain 2 and into the last 3 stitches make 1 extended double crochet in each. Okay, and our row 4 will be completed. 3. Okay, so our row 4 is completed. We're going to do the next row, which is chaining 3 from the beginning and turn our work. Now we are going to repeat the row 1 here. We make 1 extended double crochet in each of the next 2 and also into the chain 2 spaces we did from the previous. Okay, now we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Then into this space here make 1 single crochet, then chain 3 and work 2 extended double crochet in the chain 2 space from the previous and 1 extended double crochet in each of the last 3. Okay, this is 2 and the last one 3. Now our row 5 is completed. Okay, now we are going to do the next, which is chaining 3 and turning our work for our next row. So we will be working 1 extended double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Okay, this is 1, 2. Now we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now into this chain 3 space here we'll make 1 single crochet. Then from the previous single crochet we did, we make another 1 single crochet. Into the next space make another single crochet. Now chain 4 and work 1 extended double crochet in each of the last 3 stitches. Okay, 2 and 3. Now our row 6 is completed. We will chain 3 and turn our work this way. Now we'll make 1 extended double crochet in each of the next 2 and 2 extended double crochet in the chain 4 space from the previous. Okay, that's 1 and 2, bringing a total of 5 stitches. Now chain 3 and make 1 single crochet in between the 3 single crochets we did from the previous. Then chain 3 and work 2 extended double crochets in the chain 4 space we did earlier and 1 extended double crochet in each of the next 3 spaces that is remaining. Okay, so after this our 7th row is completed. So now we are going to repeat these rows from row 2 to row 7 until we get to the length of the lace. So that is, after this 7th row you repeat row 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and start all over again. That's 2 after the 7th one. Then you work row 3, row 4, 5, 6, 7. Then start from row 2 again. Okay, we're going to keep repeating it until you get to the length of the lace you want. For instance, this particular one, I've completed it. Okay, I made it's if you look at the flower like in the middle, you see it's up to 5. Okay, so I'll keep doing this till I get to the length of the band or the lace band that I want. All right, so here I have made this up to 4. Is remaining 1, which I'll go ahead and do now. Okay, so now I've completed this. To end this band, I'm going to just repeat only row 2. So if you are using this band as a hair band, all you have to do is just stem it and use it as a hair band. But since it's a slipper, I don't need that. Okay, so now I'll just repeat my row 2 here, and I will fasten off my yarn. All right, so I'll quickly do that, and we will move to the next stage of making our footwear. Okay, so this is 2 and 3 in this chains space, then my 2 chains and 1 extended double crochet in each of the last stitches. Okay, so this is my last stitch in this row, and I will fasten off my yarn. All right, so now this length is what I needed for my footwear, is long enough. All right, if you're doing something that is longer, go ahead and continue till you get to the length you desire. Okay, and because this is a footwear, it's going to need a stiffener. It's light, you can't, it's not firm, so we'll be adding a leather to this. So measure the width of your strap and use it to cut your leather. If it's thick enough, your leather, you don't need to fold it. If it's not, fold it like mine. Now apply adhesive at the edge. Please avoid the center so that it will not show. So also apply on the lace itself. Now you start from one end of the long end of the lace, like I'm doing. Just gradually attach it to the leather like so. Okay, once this is completed, we are going to turn it. Then because it shrinks, you're going to kind of drag it to the edge of the leather like so. So keep dragging it. When you do that, it expands. It's lace already, so it's not going to be stiff. So keep dragging it like this until everything sits very well. Okay, now after this is to sew it along the long edge. Okay, so make sure that everything sits properly, all expanded, and is pretty nice, no shunts or something like that. So this is how it looks. We'll sew the 2 long edges. Okay, so after this, if you're making a crisscross, go ahead and use it. Mine is a tongue, so I'll just add a tongue to it and couple it. So here I've coupled my footwear. Okay, so you can actually use this and make your footwear and design it with any color. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, give me a thumbs up, comment if you have any question, like, share for your friends to see, and also subscribe for more videos. Bye.